Okay, so this is going to be, well, things might look a little bit different, and that's because this is going to be an explanation, overview-esque type thing about V85. Now, there might be some more stuff in the future, and this is V85 and it should, I don't know, I don't have a time frame when it's going to be public for like everyone, as in rolling out to everyone, but it should be rolling out slowly, like I would say within the month, the next month. You know, MetaQuest, their dates are usually a bit off and stuff. They have this staggering rollout thing. Not really the biggest fan of it, but it is what it is. I also am using controllers. I had to update the controllers at the same time, so I figured why not? Now, the biggest thing you may notice about this is we have our old system back. No, I'm not talking about the immersive home. We still have immersive home. Definitely let me know what you guys think about the immersive home overall. But we have our old system back as far as, you know, our casting, all of our different stuff. Basically, the navigator is gone. Okay, that's that's the biggest thing. The navigator is gone. If we go to our library, we would see we have our normal library here. We still, however, have the ability to lock, and I mean, we don't have the ability to pin up top, it looks like, but yeah, we still have the ability to lock, to pin to certain menus and whatnot. It's one of the things I talked about how Disney Plus is finally on the MetaQuest 3, but it's for US audiences and slowly rolling out to other areas. At the time of recording this, I do not know if it rolled out to any other areas besides the US, but they did say it would be slowly rolling out to other areas. I know that the icon is a lot darker, the camera icon. All these icons are actually darker and smoother. Maybe it's because I haven't seen this in a while, this, you know, UI, but yeah, it seems a lot more. Yeah, it seems, yeah. I like it. I like it overall. Now there is one thing I do want to go over more, which is the store. By the way, if you do decide to buy anything, any game on the MetaQuest 3, MetaQuest, or 3S, feel free to use code TECH at checkout for 10% off. It helps me and the channel. Okay, so these are just like normal, your regular stores and stuff, but I do have something on the wish list, which is going to be coming out soon. I don't know when soon, but Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Empire City. Now, if I do play this game, I might be talking about it a little bit on this channel, but the biggest gameplay will probably be on my gaming channel, Vamp Plays. I play games and, you know, non-VR and VR games on that channel, but I use this channel to talk about like the performance of them more and whatnot. And yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys a bit about that. I'd also like to know your guys' opinion on the whole thing that they seem to be shifting from the navigator. Did you like the navigator? Or are you more like, yes, finally, they're shifting from the navigator? type thing. Let me know your thoughts, comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.